Hello everyone, I'm Blake Francome, the Membership and IT Manager for the Hampton Park Tennis Club. This video is a guide to our new book a court system. Hope you find it helpful. Now let's begin. To start, open a web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, or any other browser of your choice. Click on the address bar and type the following URL: www.hamptonparktc.com.au, then press enter. If you're already signed in, you can skip to step 3. Click on the sign in link at the top right of the screen. If you're on mobile, click the icon at the top right, then click sign in from the drop down menu. Now sign in using the same method used to create your account. For Facebook and Google methods, use the buttons on the right, and for email method, fill in the fields on the left. To view the schedule, go to the Bookings tab by clicking the Bookings button in the navigation bar. If you're on mobile, click the list icon below the profile icon, then click the Bookings button from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to see a table with all the booking periods sorted by court in columns. You may need to click the left and right arrows at the top of the table to rotate between courts. You can change the date by clicking the arrows at the top right. Click on the period you want to book for. Using the drop-down menu, select the time you want your booking to end, then click Book Now to continue. The table at the top displays the booking details. Check that they are correct. If you are attending with someone you don't live with, you can add them to the booking by clicking the plus add player button and filling out their details. You can select whether or not you want the confirmation message sent to you via SMS. The yellow box at the bottom displays the itemized cost for the booking. To confirm the booking, click Confirm and Pay or Confirm. The box at the top contains all the booking details. Below the box is 2 paragraphs containing the court access instructions and lighting instructions. I would recommend reading through it if you haven't booked before. At the bottom is the PIN number for your booking. Booking pins will take around 10 minutes before being activated. Keep this in mind when making last minute bookings. You will need to let all booking participants know of this code, either by externally sending it to them or using the inbuilt booking invitation email via the Send Email Invites to Your Players button and form. And that's all there is to booking a court. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please use the link in the description to visit our website's Contact Us page. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time at the Hampton Park Tennis Club.